welcome to our project AquaBot. We present you the AI chatbot that we've developed with other additional features as well. So firstly, on the dashboard we have our active monitoring, which has the active voyages, ports monitor and document process. We have the data weekly, monthly and yearly basis. Let's move on to the quick actions. We have these quick actions available. Also, we've listed down the top ports to track the daily consumption and daily usage. These are the top scores as well as the recent activity maintenance to track all activities and the crew management. So let's start with the AI chatbot. Here we have the AI chatbot based on these features. We have general AI, weather, navigation, ports, documents, SOA parser. We can contact with the AI chat for anything. For example, if I have to inquire about Singapore's port safety rules, the AI can help us manage the pros and cons as well for this port. These are the port safety rules for Singapore's port. We can ask what are the pros and cons for this port. We can also take help of this AI chatbot to plan a voyage based on the days or the carbon emissions. We can I plan a voyage for 70 days? List the essentials. This can help us maintain a track of what we need and what we do not need to reduce the ship load as well as to carry what's important. These are the much needed things that we should require. The AI chatbot can also be used to figure out the weather distances, weather conditions from Shanghai. The AI will give from Shanghai to Rotterdam. It has given a good reference. Now moving forward, we have the weather check feature. Weather check, we can get the weather for any port or the maintained ports. For example, right now we have these ports, so we can have the weather for these ports. This works on a weather based API key. We can also have a route planning feature in which we can select the ports based on the departure. For example, we have to go from Rotterdam to Hamburg, so we can calculate route from the destination to the arrival port. These are the distances, the estimated time of arrival, the fuel cost and the estimated cost that we would require. These are the navigation features. Moving forward, we have a carbon calculator which is more environment friendly and more relevant to today's carbon emissions. We can select the vessel type and the emission results are as follows. So we would require 1,245 tons a day fuel for 23 durations of mile. Lastly, we have two other features. One is a void checklist, wherein we can perform a checklist based on what we've completed and what's pending. These are prefixtures, on voyage and post voyage cargo vessel. Lastly, we have a voice control feature which has a speech to recognition. We can also record. Can you tell me the distance from Shanghai port to Singapore port? We can ask follow-up regarding that to the AI assistant as well. Or we can also have a text to speech button. Lastly, these are the top ports that we have on board and the recent activities. Thank you so much.